Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add address on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open your Amazon app. Okay, and then click here. And then please select this option. Okay, after that you can select first one. And then to make it faster, here we can use this option. Use current location. Well, after that, here you can fill in the blank with the specification information of your address. Okay, and then here you can click Add Address. Okay, and then your address is successfully added to your Amazon account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add address on an Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.